Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Defiant Teens Get Huge Reality Check at Private Pool by Lens of Law Police Body Cam Videos.
Hey, do you stay here, bro? You stay here? Huh? No. Who stays here that you're with? Nobody. Why are you here? Huh? Yeah, but this is a private pool.
How the fuck you just go hop in somebody else's pool? And you even stay there?
Okay. Do you have an ID on you? How old are you? Do you have an ID?
22?
I actually lost a lot, actually. You lost it? Yeah. What's your first name?
Naeem.
Huh?
Naeem.
How do you spell that?
N-Y.
N-Y-E-A-M-E. M-E. What's your last name? Nelson.
At least he giving a name and he being compliant.
What's
It wasn't him causing any of the problems. It's the 5 that are in the car.
What's your birthday?
But that's still,
They just told you I wasn't causing no problem.
I know. What's your birthday?
Excuse me.
You're not in trouble.
I put you in the swing, but
I know. I got it. You're not in trouble, bro. What's your birthday?
I ain't gonna lie, we used to sneak in the pools all the time. It's just about the pools that you sneak into, I guess, because shit, we did that shit all the time. But at 22, I have my own apartment, so I was just telling the homies to come to my shit. I ain't had no friends, that's teenagers though. All my friends is older.
Okay, listen. I'm not tripping, bro. Okay, chill out, bro. You're gonna make this into something bigger. Okay, listen. This is a private pool, right? You have to live here to be at the pool. Okay? So I'm just gonna trespass you from the pool. You're not getting in trouble if you come back. If you come back.
I've literally seen us here. Actually, the same thing.
I promise you, if you come back, I will take you to jail. Okay?
I'm not saying I'm gonna come back.
I know. I'm just letting you know.
I'm just
because
saying
I work with them and they called. Okay? They call me all the time. If you come back, go to jail. That's the only thing.
I'm just saying something to you that I've been here with the owners or whoever was here. They came here, seen us, just asked us questions, and they said, okay, as long as I'm not doing, nothing crazy, I believe let us swim here. But I give.
Oh wow, yeah, I would have felt some type of way too.
What you saying?
I believe you.
I won't come back here.
I believe you.
But I wasn't causing no problem. I wasn't doing nothing. Excuse me.
Are you
Why did you have to even get my name if?
Because I'm going to do a trespass.
So you getting everybody's name is out there?
Yeah, I'm about to figure out who else is with you.
Okay. I want to stay here for that bullshit.
Huh?
I want to stay here to see that, but I want
To see what?
to see you get everybody else's name.
Hey, no, you're a trespasser. Just leave, please.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Okay, thank you.
The reportee claimed that the trespassers were excessively cussing and being aggressive in front of her young children.
You said what? Huh? Oh, okay. So, who lives here?
Nobody.
Okay. So, you're all trespassed. Get out of the pool or you go to jail. You all have to leave the pool or you're going to jail. Okay. I just said who lives out here and you looked at me like I was crazy. Okay. Which building do you live in? Huh? 330? Which, that's the building number?
That's my house number.
Okay. What's the apartment number?
The clear one.
Huh? It's 1? Okay, that's not how it works. So the building's number 331?
It's at the bottom. Right there.
She finna make this hell.
The building number is 1? There's no building number 1.
So you gonna sit here and lie? Your friend just literally said none of us live here.
No, they all have like they're four digits. 130? Okay, so that's the apartment number. What's the building number?
Look what I can do.
1570?
Which one is it? See, I hate dealing with kids, boy. Lord.
Why do I feel like that's not a real number?
I mean, you go. I got the orange one.
What's
We was with him. We with her. We with her.
So what's the problem?
You can go to her. I don't know why she even called the police because of little cussing. Like everybody out here was cussing. Like she don't swear around her kids. Like she's gonna make me mad.
1570?
We live with her.
There's no
We was
1570.
with her. You can go talk to her.
Okay, no. Get out of the pool or go to jail. Okay.
Where's we getting out for
Okay.
with her?
I'm trespassing. No, you're not.
Oh yeah, he the one that want to go to jail.
Live here.
See it right now. That's the
They're
ringleader.
not.
We with her. We're
Okay,
not trespassing.
leave now. Okay. Well, there's too many guests in the pool with her, so nobody has their little pool bands on. So everybody leave. Okay. Leave the pool. You're going to jail.
Jamal was asked several times to leave the property, but due to his reluctance, the officers had to resort to extreme measures.
Oh. Why they gotta do all that? All they had to do was pepper spray him like they did on Buddy. You see what I'm talking about? Like, oh man, that's crazy. Oh, you shouldn't have did that. You too big for that, and you about twice their size. Oh, that's gotta suck because he wet too. I ain't gonna lie to you. I would have been pissed off trying to wrestle with a big kid and he all soaking wet. Oh, yeah, he punched him. You cannot punch a cop, bro. I don't even know why you would try to resist. Parents, you gotta do better teaching your kids how to handle with these laws because they gonna get themselves hurt really bad. You punch the cop, it's a wrap. Yeah, you too big for all that, boy. They was not finna play with you. See, talking all that shit, and you can't even take a taser, and you want to fight on cops. See, when people ask me to do something, especially cop, I'm just gonna be like, all right, bro, and I'm gone. Like, I'm not finna keep running my mouth. I don't give a fuck who right, who not. If my name is not personally on this, I am not finna even do that. Like, I'm not finna talk. That could have been all avoided if y'all would have just left. I know that taser hurt like a motherfucker because he wet. Come get your ass tased too. And look, they gonna go tell his mama something completely different. Until she see the body cam and see what the fuck he did.
Please. Sir, please. What you want it? What you got? Please. Please.
It's too late to apologize.
Let me go. You hurting me, please.
Is he gonna be able to fit back there?
Please.
I'm not trying to be funny. That is a serious question.
Please hurt me. Please. I didn't even do nothing. Please.
Lakeland police. Where's Lakeland at? Anybody know?
Please.
Turn that way.
Let me see how my video doing over here. Damn, we got 27 people watching. That's crazy. All right, back to us.
Lock the handcuffs.
Please, they hurting.
I know. I'm trying to fix it.
My boy over there in pain.
Please. Please. Oh. What's your name? Please. Either you give me your name or I'm going to keep adding charges to you. No. All right. Please. What's your name? It's hurting. What's your name? Please.
We need your name, brother. Y'all hurting me.
But I don't know how old bro is, but this is unacceptable.
Y'all hurting me.
This is LPD.
Please. Please, sir.
LPD got a little rhyme to it.
Please, can you just...
With so much drama in it. Hold on, how do you say it? With so much drama in the LPD. Hey.
Please. It's hurting me, please.
He was resisting. They couldn't get his big ass down. They didn't have to start punching him first. So he was just fighting back. But luckily, he didn't know when you fight a cop that's just more charges. Damn, bro. They fucked up for that. I ain't gonna lie to you. That wasn't cool. They didn't have, they all they had to do was taser his big ass. They didn't have to fight him and start punching him in the face. Like that wasn't okay, bro.
Hands on Jamal, they punching. You're trespassed. Leave the property and go to jail.
Okay, y'all going to the police station because we can't leave somebody. I can't leave somebody.
He's going to jail. He's going to jail. I asked him to leave.
And she got mad. We stopped.
Okay, leave or go to jail. Leave or go to jail.
See, this is why you don't need to be going to people's shit that's not yours if you don't know how to act and conduct yourself. I ain't gonna lie to you. Black, white, Hispanic, it don't matter what ethnicity. If I pay a certain amount of money for a pool, because these look like some nice ass apartments, and then you got some badass kids, no matter what the color is, if they get on your motherfucking nerves and they don't live here, I'm calling the laws too. Shit, fuck. I come here I pay rent to enjoy the amenities. That ain't no regular looking ass pool. You know what I'm saying? So, hell yeah, I would have did the same shit.
She finna be the next one.
You need to come here.
Okay, you need to leave or go to jail right now. All right, let's go.
Wrap this shit up.
Let's go.
Jamal was eventually transported to Lakeland Regional Hospital for medical treatment before being transported to the Juvenile Assessment Center. Jamal was charged with trespassing along with failing to leave the property upon the owner's order, misdemeanor A, battery on a law enforcement officer, felony H, and resisting an officer with violence, felony H.
Then fucked up his life to get out of a stinking ass pool. When they got a million pools that you can go to, bro. It's a million apartments, bro.
Enjoyed this video? Don't forget.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Bro, I really love y'all, bro. We literally have 29 people in the fucking chat, bro. This is phenomenal. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. 29 people watching. This is amazing, bro. This is fire. Thank you guys for fucking with me so much, man. I appreciate you. I wish Layla was here to watch this. I'd had 52 people watching before, but 29 people viewing the video while it's premiering. That's love. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Oh, we out. That's crazy. That's crazy, right? JJ Everly, Rena, Layla not in the building, Queen, Courtney, Sanger, shout out to all y'all. Y'all be in the chat going crazy every single day. I love you guys.